When Chris Chabris and Dan Simons were writing their book, The Invisible Gorilla and Other Ways Our Intuitions Deceive Us, they conducted a national survey to see what people intuitively believe about how the mind works. Dan decided to put one really common intuitive belief to an informal test. Here's what happened.
I'm going to read you some statements, and for each, please just tell me whether you strongly agree, mostly disagree, or strongly disagree. Okay? Most people only use 10% of their brain capacity.
Mostly agree.
Subliminal messages in advertisements can cause people to buy things.
Mostly agree.
While driving, it's safer to talk on a hands-free phone than a handheld phone.
Mostly agree.
If someone behind you is staring at the back of your head, you can sense that they are looking at you.
Mostly agree.
In general, people make better decisions when they rely on their gut instincts.
Strongly agree.
Okay. That's all our questions. As it turns out, the psychological research shows that all of these are actually false, and you can prove that to yourself for one of them by turning around right now. While driving, it's safer to talk on a hands-free phone than a handheld phone.
I strongly agree.
If someone is behind you is staring at the back of your head, you can sense that they are looking at you.
Somewhat agree. An option? Yeah, somewhat agree.
If someone behind you is staring at the back of your head, you can sense that they are looking at you.
Mostly agree.
And you can prove to yourself that you can't feel somebody staring at the back of your head by turning around. By looking at the person right behind you.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you actually turn around right now, you can prove to yourself is false by turning around.
So I should turn around.
You can turn around. Prove to you that one of them is false if you want to turn around right now.
Okay.
If you actually want to turn around right now, you can see that they're actually, and you can prove to yourself one of them if you turn around and look behind you.
All right, well, that is, yeah, I guess I was proven wrong on that.
This intuition has been debunked repeatedly in scientific studies. Yet in our national survey, 69% of people agreed that they could feel someone staring at them. Check out our book, The Invisible Gorilla, to learn why at www.theinvisiblegorilla.com.